What a beautiful idea to replace broken windows with powerful, anti-racist pieces of art.
Students at Knoll Community Arts School, or NCAS, are telling the story of their community within these beautiful, large-scale murals.
Their voice matters.
These murals depict student perspectives on the state of current events in our city, country, and world.
My piece is more about the progression of time and how things are moving the way they're supposed to, I believe, and that what is happening now is what was already meant to happen, and it wouldn't be happening now if it was dealt with in the past.
The murals also honor current activism in the Denver metro area.
So my mural is called Heartbreak. It's basically how I feel about what's happening right now. So my heart and emotions are being stabbed over and over by glass, that's broken glass, and the glass is supposed to represent the windows being broken at the Mayor's building.
And murals like this one will replace those broken windows. It's part of Denver Mayor Michael B. Hancock's Telling a Story project.
I also want to thank the Chief of Staff of the Mayor's office, Alan Salazar, who actually was the one who had this idea, who came to me and said, Mayor, what if we replaced these broken windows with artwork that we challenge our young people to develop?
Guided by local artists and NCAS staff, students created these murals to share their voices as artists, innovators, and activists.
They're the new face of the world.
I can't vote in the election, I can't decide on laws, but I can say what I need to say with this, and that's important. Youth have a voice too, it's not just adults.
Murals reflected support for Black Lives Matter, heartache over wildfires across our country, and mourning in the midst of a pandemic.
We chose to be a part of the mural project because we felt like our voices should be heard. Our mural is about the current situations happening in the world today.
The City and County of Denver building will host these completed murals this fall. Once the windows are replaced, the hope is that these murals will keep telling the story within a new home here in Denver.
It is important for the youth in the far northeast community to use their voices so we can be heard and not silenced. Thank you.